Let's get in this. 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 I can be your number one. We know it's overdone, but I could give you something that could give you hope. No, no, you want a smart girl with her own job. She can talk shop. Says he's gonna start a revolution. I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's a illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. Wants to see the universe, wants to see it first. On a private plane, doesn't wanna ride commercial. He's so unique and he's so right, but he's so not right for me, and I don't wanna be that guy. Says he's gonna start a revolution, and I don't doubt it, but sometimes I think his vision's an illusion. No, he sees life through a different lens. He says it's part of the plan, but all I see is the chart going down. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. Says he wants a real one with no filters, and he's found her. But you better buckle up, cause he's going in. He said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. Said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. I said I was a good girl, but I'm still in love with the bad guy. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true. He says he could change the world, but I don't know if that's true.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred. Shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred. Shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And the power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yeah, so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you wanna live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close, yet so far. 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 Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna, get to the life you wanna live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection, of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you could sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far. far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. Yeah. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know.
Is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour Special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Avi, the Maestro. It is Monday, March 2nd, 2:46 p.m., trading the last hour of the market today. Senior Maestro, how you doing, brother?
Pretty damn good, bro. How about you?
Good,
How you
man.
doing, bro?
I'm flexing a little bit right here.
Yeah, I see.
240, 100% win-loss. I'm up $146,000 on the Apex funded accounts today. And that's not actually 240 trades. It's 20 accounts, 3 minis, right? But if you guys want to look here on this little bad boy, $54,000 on the fundeds. If we want to look on the wealth charts here, your boy is up $7,200 on each of the accounts, well past the profit target and the buffer. So very exciting.
Oh, yeah.
Just want to do a little flex there because I was very happy and proud of myself that I have gotten to where I've been trying to get to. Now, I'm going to show you guys the charts. We're going to lock in, get it loaded, and I'm going to trade my FFF accounts. But Javi, how did you trade this morning?
Pretty dang good. Can't complain.
Nice.
I haven't even tallied it up, so I have no idea how I did.
Very nice.
But let me get this stuff together here. This can break over 90 and hold. We have room to get up to 110.
Miklo says, I've got a problem strategy hopping out the P2P course, but when I see this shit, I want to hop again into yours. You got any tips? I'm going to tell you, do not buy my course. I don't need your money. I don't want you to waste your money. You have a very profitable strategy that you've already purchased. Do P2P University. Do your due diligence. Go through the course. Ask Lama and other P2P students about the strategy. Pay attention to the pre-market. Pay attention to everything. Do not waste your time or money investing in another strategy, because what's going to end up happening is you're going to have a conflict of interest in your head between two different strategies. My strategy might say short, Llama strategy might say long, and Llama strategy might win, right? There's going to be certain things that's going to mess with your head. I highly recommend you try and make sure that you can fully understand a course or a strategy first before purchasing another one. If at the end of the day you go through the whole process and it still doesn't work for you, it doesn't meet your personality, fine. Then you can look into another one. But put your time and effort into the P2P course. Don't waste your time with mine right now until you feel like you have fully grasped and understood the P2P course. There's way too many profitable P2P students for you to feel the need to strategy hop onto mine. Obviously, I love having students. I love helping my students out. I have a large amount of profitable students. But as Max says, grasp your testicles. Yes. Right. Logan and Maestro, when is your coaching going to be on the new website? I believe documentation is in the process of being signed, formed, and filled out, and then it will all be up and available on the website. I have coaching on there, but I always tell everybody, don't waste your time purchasing my coaching stuff until you purchase the course. Don't waste your time doing a coaching session until you do the course first. They're the same price. Why would you spend an hour of my time or your time for the same price? Logan, yours not showing in wealth chart tracker. I don't know what that means. To be honest with you, Ron, you regularly ask questions, zero understanding what you're saying.
Miguel P, yes, everything quantum, literally like everything. Like I don't hold back everything on my YouTube. Anybody that wants to learn quantum and how I trade using it, it's all out there on YouTube. Like there's no sauce hidden back on how I trade with quantum. Quantum is my main strat. What I teach in my coaching is the other confluences. I also break down some of the max strat stuff that I use in confluence with my stuff. Sauce box is one of my major things that I also teach.
Would you say your strategy is the most mechanical? What does that even mean? Define some strategy being mechanical. I don't really understand that. When you first add the pivot hunter, what setting would you change? None of it. Who is that behind me? That is me. That is me. Javi, do you have a bias for Power Hour?
No, I come in with zero biases. No biases at all. Not for me.
Completely rule based with no room for interpretation? For the most part, yes. For the most part, yes. Does the CSO orb come with normal stuff? No. The CSO orb is its own strategy. Now you could put it on. The CSO orb is my own strategy. It has to do with my course. Now, can you use it on the advanced orb indicator? Yes, but there's certain ways to trade it. Blah, blah, blah. Don't worry about it. It's nothing subscription based. It's a strategy. It's not like you don't just put it on a chart. It's not an indicator. That's not how it works. Does the guy behind you sell a course? Yes. In Miami at Live, or was it 11? Or maybe it's both. He does something over there. Probably sells YouTube stuff on over there. A more mechanical strategy would have less interpretation. Yeah, so I guess it would be, then it's very mechanical. Yes. Logan, do you live trade with your students every day? No. Logan, no C4 today? I have an energy drink in front of me. That is all I will say. Me and Max are working something out, so don't worry about it. But I have an energy drink in front of me, of course. Also, guys, don't forget, check out our new website. It's up and loaded. It is a soft launch. If you guys notice any errors, please notify us and our team. We're going to make sure that it is fully operational and working. But it's pretty cool. Pretty cool website. Logan sold me my first bottle of, I don't know. No, I did not. Definitely did not. Never sold anybody anything that's not education purposed. Can you take off your shirt? It's been a long day. No. What do you think about the new Apex accounts? Honestly, I think they're sick. And it makes me a little upset that I have the older ones where there's more rules and it's going to take me 8 days and there was an intraday drawdown and all this stuff. And I'm like, when I'm this close to getting my first Apex payout and they do this, but I still feel accomplished. Not until I get my payout. Knock on wood. I'm not going to say anything until I get a payout, but at least I can say, knock on wood, that I was able to secure a payout on the OG legacy Apex accounts. Maximum payout on 20 accounts. That'll be cool for me to say. So now, am I going to pop them and go to the end of days? We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling. What's the new site? Haven't seen anything. MaxOptionsTrading.com. MaxOptionsTrading.com. On average, how many trades do you take a day?
bounce back and forth between
Uh,
options and okay. Not really.
Lately, I have been taking 1, 2, 3, 4 to 6 trades a day, maximum, including Power Hour. That's not true. I don't include Power Hour. Power Hour is very entertainment based, and I'll take more trades than normally. Normally, I follow the max way, which is one and done per account. Power Hour, obviously, it's entertainment purposes. I'm going to take a few extra trades. Now, if I catch an absolute banger with Hobby, then I'm going to call it. Logan, so y'all will transition fully away from WAP? Not in the near future, from what I understand. We still have everything on WAP. I don't see us fully removing ourselves from WAP. No. Now you do get the max bucks if you go through our website, though. So there's benefits to the website over WAP. But some people like WAP, so we have the opportunity for you to use both. What are max bucks? Max bucks are essentially a currency that we use on the website where if you were to purchase an indicator or a course, you get in return a certain amount of max bucks, which you can then use to purchase potential other products, services, courses, etc. on the website.
I wonder if SPX can get up there. That's a huge move potential.
Get a payout, then full port them. I don't really know if I want to do that. It's essentially my accounts are going to be the exact same as the new ones because I already passed the buffer. The only, I mean, I guess there's some of the rules, and I am going to get paid out every 8 days instead of 5 days. I don't know. Do you use the AMD cycle when trading? Because I have no idea what that is, no. New here, when is the CSO or my man, you're a student of mine. We are not going to talk about that here. You are guessing a new student of mine. Definitely not going to talk about that here. That is sauce. That is sauce that you paid for. We are not going to talk about that here. You're good, brother. We'll talk about that in the student channel. Don't forget, guys, if you guys invest in your education, pay for anybody's courses or coaching, and you decide to share that with somebody else, you will be banned and potential legal action will follow. Just want to let you know. So if you purchase the course or coaching from anybody and you share that with anybody, you will be banned from all products, the course, the YouTube, potentially legal action. And this also goes for those who decide to DM a member who owns a course or coaching plan or session, and you go out of your way to try and get that information from them, you will also be banned from everything that we have to offer. So,
And can I add to that as well? If anybody shares, you guys, I know there's a lot of you guys who are, program savvy, tech savvy, and some of you guys create indicators based on our sauce. Keep that to yourselves. If we catch anybody sharing that with anybody else, the exact same thing will happen.
yes. And if you do feel that somebody has been bothering you, DMing you, messaging you, requesting proprietary information, notify the mods, open up a support ticket, let our team know, snitch on them, and maybe you'll be rewarded. That is all. doesn't want to
11
see
immediately
everybody.
came out snitching.
No, I don't want to see everybody eat. I want to see those who invest in their education, those who make the necessary sacrifices to further their education, like I did, like Javi did. I was gave up my job and everything to invest in the course. Javi stole his wife's credit card to invest in the course. We made sacrifices for that education. Myself, Max, Lama, Javi have spent hundreds of hours of our own time, blood, sweat, tears to develop these strategies that we put in hard work and time for. Why would we let anybody get access to that for free?
Oh, looks like there are people
I
that
put
don't
in
know the
so
story
much
here.
I put in so much
Fruity
work into my
Loops.
information to gather. So did Javi. So did all of us. Why would we give that out for free to anybody? You just, I have to do all the work and then you get it for free. How does that make sense? Somebody who's making the sacrifice to be able to invest in the education and then somebody else free, how, right?
So Fruity Loops doesn't know the full story of the stolen wife's credit card. Um, her card had credit in it. I've always paid all of our cards. I've always been the breadwinner in the family, just to make clear, right? Obviously, I was going to pay that card off, but her card had credit in it. So we were on vacation and she was asleep. I grabbed her card that had credit on it and used it to buy the Mastermind course. She wouldn't have had it any other way because we wouldn't be here in Hawaii. Yeah, JX. Yep, in Hawaii. We wouldn't be here if I never did that. All right, butterfly effect.
Yep.
So that's that story. And anybody that's not familiar with it, but obviously I paid it off. Card's been paid off, and then some.
And now he's rich. And now he's rich and he's a very profitable trader and he makes more money consistently than anybody I know.
Mira, what was that? Javier, ¿de dónde eres? I live in Maryland. My family is from El Salvador. That's where my heritage is, Salvadoreño.
Why not share the wealth? If you have something great, share it. I would. So, Mr. John Prano,
What?
have you ever dedicated so much time to something that struggled and it was very difficult for you, and that you put all this hard work and effort, and then somebody just grabbed it for free? Ever? Because that, sir, is called communism, where you put in
It's
all
one
the
of
work,
those.
you put in all the hard effort, and then somebody else gets to just take it for free. Someone can be lazy and a bum and just sit back and relax. I'm going to say, John, you go do all the work, John. You got it. You go bust your ass. You go struggle. You go do everything. I'm going to sit here and relax. When you're finished, come give me the information, John, and I'm going to benefit off of what you've done. Also, I'm going short here, by the way. I am going short here, guys. So
Yep,
that's the
I've been in
situation.
the short.
I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to put in all the hard hours, hundreds of hours of time that I've put in to studying and learning and strategizing to only just give it away for free. I
That's one
share
of
what I
those
know to people
comments
to help them
that's
out in
like
life. Okay.
people that want everything handed to them in a plate say, I
Yeah.
mean,
It is.
I've hit rock bottom. I never expected anyone to give me anything for free.
John,
Never.
John, you're a liberal, right? John, are you a Democrat, John? Just out of curiosity. I'm just going to sit and wait for a response from Johnny Boy. He says, F no. My man, I think you are. by definition, by definition of your view, you are. By literal definition.
I mean, you guys can go check out my YouTube shit. All my shit's out there, right? Just need quantum though. That's the only thing. Like everything with the way I trade is out there. The only things that I keep behind my coaching thing is sauce box, max sauce that I break down. You know, he doesn't coach anymore. He put it down onto myself and Logan. Right, I teach a lot of the stuff that he does, break things down like that. But you know,
So
I
if
don't know
somebody
why
can
people
build a
think
house,
everything's gonna be for free.
yeah. So do you think that somebody should build somebody's house for free? Do you
Yeah,
think
like
somebody should build anything for you or give you food for free or do anything for free? Right? If somebody has the capability to build an entire house, why don't you?
I guess what
If
I do
you
for
can
people
build,
is different than
if
what
I
you do.
go,
What do you do, John?
why don't I
What
go
do
to
you do
the
though?
Lamborghini shop and ask them to give me a whole car for free? Why don't I go to the bank and
What,
say, you guys are able to make a bunch of money. Can I have it?
yeah,
You're able to make
because
a bunch of money. Give me the money.
like when situations are different, right? Like donations, right? Giving back. I hand out, you know, even if I don't know if the person's a druggie or a pro person, if I have cash, I'm going to give out when I can, absolutely, right? Some people don't because they think they're going to use it on drugs or whatnot, but you know, I don't put myself in that personal situation of thinking that way. If I can, I will, and they do it with what they will. You know, whether they can use it for food or drugs, you know, whatever makes them feel better at that point. And if they're faking it, then eventually karma will come by. But, you know, expecting everyone else to do what you do, right? If you're a giving person, expecting everyone else to be a giving person, there's so many different situations that come into play why some can or can't.
It's just such a ridiculous concept to be able to give away something for free. It doesn't make any sense. That means everything in life should be free. If I'm going to give away something that I've hard worked for, why would I give that away for free? That means that if you go and you do anything in life, I expect you to give it to me. It's ridiculous. Conceptually, it does not make sense.
I got taken out there on my little runner that I had. The shorts still looking okay. 5 minutes, still pulling down. I mean, this needs to stay underneath 90. If it can stay underneath 90, there's a chance this might keep going down.
You want to know how free things work? You ever heard of free healthcare? Look at the VA. I'm gonna take a loss on that trade. I also am an idiot and I shouldn't have taken that trade. I didn't realize that there's a level right here, so I don't really know why I took that short, but it's fine. I'm gonna get out of that trade. There's a level right here.
I got out.
So
I got out the bottom of sauce box. I got trailed.
what was I saying? I got distracted. You think Jesus ever asked for anything in return? Okay, you want to go fucking, you want to go quote for quote on Jesus right now? All right, we can do this.
Doesn't he tithing, right? Isn't tithing a thing? I mean, right? So you could buy your pastors them Cadillacs and them brand new Gators, right? Right? All right, I'm gonna shut up before this gets a little too. Oh my god, that short's still shorting. It rejected 90. Perfect.
Luke 10:7. Stay there.
Oh my god,
eating.
what a meltdown! Oh my god, who's still in this?
Oh, wow, this was a
Oh,
short.
okay, I'm getting it.
This was the short. This was the
That-
short I got out of. Wow,
It rejected 90 on the T. Holy shit! I got 2 micros on this.
the short. I don't know if anybody
Oh
held
my
on to
god,
that.
I couldn't even screenshot it. That
Wow.
retested 90 to the T. Holy crap! I got back in it when I saw that 90.
I can't believe I got out. I can't believe I got out of it.
My runner yeah, my freaking shit already got all messed up. Holy crap. And of course.
But yeah, Luke 10:7 of the
I'm
Bible
typing
says the worker deserves his wages. Okay. You also have Matthew 25:14. Jesus teaches that what you're given should be used wisely and multiplied, not wasted. Thou shalt also use their efforts and be paid accordingly, though so. Okay, there's another one. Let's talk about another one. I can pull up multiple quotes trying to justify saying that. And the crazy thing is why is it
still
here's
going,
what's so
guys? It's still going.
going in the short,
Did
going in the short.
anybody get in on
Jumping
that
back.
retest of 90? That candle closed at 85, right? Stayed below 90. I hope you guys were listening to what I said. If it stays below 90, it still has a chance of coming back down. My runner is running. Let's fucking go. What a fuck. Oh my god. My freaking runner.
I tell you, we're still going. We're still going.
Holy shit. What a drop.
Still going. Still going. Still going.
Oh my
Still
god.
going. I told you
Beautiful,
guys that
beautiful,
short was good.
beautiful.
Javi said the short was good. We both decided we got out. We
Beautiful.
re-entered it. There you go. Good shit, Javi.
I got trailed down on the bounce up and then held that candle closed before below 90 and it was game time again. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm up huge right
Easy
now, and
peasy.
I'm just holding this. But Matthew 7:6, do not give dogs what is sacred. Do not throw your pearls to pigs. If you do, they may trample upon your feet. So I'm not going to give you my pearls if you're going to not put in the effort and the time and energy that you've done so. Again, we can go band for band on the Bible and Jesus and the work. I'm not somebody that nothing frustrates me more than somebody who tries to use religion against anything that I say, especially as somebody, I don't preach it. A lot of people don't know this. I am a Christian man. I just don't talk about it because I don't like to be that guy who goes and pushes it on other people. And then for you to try and use it against me, you're crazy.
Still dumping.
So frustrating. I hate when people do that. Logan's a Christian. Yes, I am. I wear a cross. I have a cross. I have St. Michael on me. I have like all, yes. I just don't talk about it a lot because I'm not that type of person. Also, when there's times of war, I also do become more religious. That is something that I do become more religious when there's times of war. That's just how I am. But yes, the tattoo threw me. I thought you were satanic. No. See, if you also know about the Bible, tattoos are not an actual definition of it. Right? They talked about it where you're not supposed to put tattoos. You're not supposed to do anything to your body, but that has to do
It's
directly to the
funny.
Jews. At the time, they were prophesizing to Baal and other people. It doesn't correlate to now.
No copy trading for me. It's funny how like the people that are super religious, right? We're not supposed to be judging people by their whatever, right? You're not supposed to be judgmental. They're the most judgmental out of everyone I've ever met.
There's
I've met some of the
somebody
most religious
somebody who
people.
is truly religious is not going to judge
Yeah,
somebody. If you want
they're
to
not.
understand that thing, because if you were to look into even the Bible anyway, is that like it's
72 needs to
like
break
you can
next if it's going to keep
whatever.
going.
I'm not gonna talk about it anymore.
72 needs to break next if it's going to keep going. Right at it. Let's see if it keeps going. Breaking it so far.
This is dumping,
Bounce it
absolute
down here.
dumping, Javi.
Yep, 72 is the next area. Currently bounced off of it.
You judged that dude and said he was a liberal? No. I asked if he was a liberal. And I said statistically
Yes.
based off of his political views, which was associated by his belief that everybody
I'm going
deserves everything,
crazy here.
by definition
I'm
is
going
Democrat.
bonkers. Holy shit, it's going nuts. This candle has to close below that 72 here.
I'm still in this trade.
Continue.
I'm up $2,600 per account right now.
There goes. There goes. There goes. Can it keep going? That candle closes below. Pulled itself right back up. Oh my gosh. It's getting violent. Candle has to close below it.
Okay, bro. And I hate people who are like you, bro. It's all right, John. You can hate whoever you want to hate.
John. You can hate you can hate whatever you want to hate. There we go.
Thanks for
California.
watching.
Oh my god, what a jump on 72.
Oh, I'm out. I'm
And
out.
of
I'm out.
course, I have one runner running. Beautiful. Oh, there you go, guys. Another fucking 20 pointer after that, whatever that ended up being, that drop. Okay. Dom went nuts. My runner, I had 3 contracts in on that. My runner trailed out on that pullback. Let's go learning to trade. Look at you collecting. Very nice. Now, stop trading, learning to trade, and take that 2K payout. Take that 2K payout. That is a beautiful daily payout. You're going to get 1,600 of that. Here we go. Now back to 72. This closes below 72. More continuation down. Holding 72 again. Look at that. Bounce right off of 72 again. This has to close below it.
All right. Well, I'm up quite a bag right now.
Too easy. Too easy. Scalped it again. Up
I'm
$1,000.
pretty much done for the day. All my accounts have been traded now. Yeah, I don't really need to trade anymore. There's a 70-point drop with 3 minis.
Couple micros at a time right there.
Up 11 bands on the power hour.
All right, back down
Now
it
what do we do?
goes. This one I would be careful at. This is the third touch. This is the third touch. This one might want to break it. I don't know. It could not. I'm not going to test it again, will I? Am I being degen? I probably am being degen. There's another 10 points. It's too easy. I'm at the 1,000 for $60 right now. Okay, I'm going to switch accounts. It's too easy, guys. Look at that again, right? 72, baby. This is how I do what I do. It's too easy.
Good shit, Javi. Good shit,
Let's
brother.
count it 3 times. All right. Next account. Let's see. That one's done. I don't think I can trade any of these anymore. Shit. Yeah, I can't. Can't trade any of these. Watch. I already finished my fundeds. Can't touch those. Ooh, I got these. I can still work on these. All right, back to 72. Are you going to close below or are you going to stay popping above? Let's close below this time. And we're going to come back down or no? Nope. Okay. Come back up again. Look at that. And back down we go. We're going to close this time. We got 50 seconds. Be careful here. This is now at the bottom and it's about to close.
This is a big level here. The
Oh,
966 area. 966 area is a big
struggling to
area.
get back over.
We can hold under
Ooh,
it.
this is close.
Be great.
2, 1. And look at that! Oh!
Jump back in the short. I'm gonna jump back in the short here.
Oh, let's go, baby! Look at that! Oh God, what?
Yep.
All right. Caught the bounce 3 times. Now caught that short. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
This should be good to go down quite some way. We got a ways down here. Short. We got a little bit of ways down now.
This is how we play the market game. This is how we play the market game. Look at that. Easy. Multiple setups, multiple trades.
I've got room all the way down to 52.
Let's go. Easy peasy guarantee. 72, 73. Can't break back up. Still going down. Look at that. Caught that. All right. Back to 72. Breaking back above. Breaking back above.
Oh, I got knocked out. I got knocked out there, actually.
Yeah, it's a hard pull up. That's a violent pull up. Rushed right through. Wow, what a pull up, man. Rip through 72. I couldn't even get in on that.
What is that? 962.
Violent rip.
50-point, 60-point candle. What is going on?
That.
A lot of volatility. All right, I'm gonna have to increase my TP and stop loss for the next trade that I get into.
There's a potential continuation push up here incoming. Potential. I gotta retrace all the way up to the 60s. I don't know if it's gonna go for it just yet. You see this thing continue to push and lock in, if it will.
Or this could be just a completely failed bullish move and it flips.
72 we need to break back. We would need to break back underneath 72. Just trying to hold up and let's see if this goes right. If this breaks under 72, back below 62, then the move down continues. For the time being, let me play that signal. Boom, quick 10 points. Signal. Oh, that got violent. 92 to 16, almost 20 points. Boom, still going.
Up above 25, and we're going to go for a move here.
Top of the sauce box. I'm going to be careful there, top of the sauce box. Needs to break through that.
Strait of Hormuz is closed, and we will target any ship attempts to pass through. I ran that. That's what it is.
I missed my trail out right there. Barely missed my trail out. It's at 08. Ooh. Okay, if we can break over 22 up, that took me out. Okay, my runner ran. My runner ran pretty good. Got trailed out. Needs to break over the top of the sauce box if she wants to keep going. If this breaks back under 72 and cracks through 61, down we make commence.
Javi, yeah, your mic is a little staticky right now. Having some mic issues, technical issues.
Staticky. touch my mic. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I might know what it is. Is it on the Discord or on YouTube? Discord. Ah, you can touch anything on my mic. Like the box is all over there. Do a reset. Like everything throws on my end. Yep. Back. Do I sound better? Do I still sound like the more regato Mr. Roboto? Check the RFI. Anything with a radio frequency, there's nothing next. There's nothing here. I have my phone on my left. I always have my phone on my left. Absolutely nothing else here. I would not be out of the ordinary. Does it still sound the same? Does it still sound the same? I'll plug it back in. All right, let's plug it in and plug it out. Oh wait. I think I know. Okay, does it sound better now? Oh, oh. What the hell? What happened to the mic? Literally did absolutely nothing to it. Doesn't work either. Gotta blow into it like an N64 cartridge. All right, here we go back to 71. How do I sound? How do I sound on YouTube? YouTube, do I sound okay on YouTube? It's choppy on YouTube too. Then what the heck happened to my mic? Just got out. Still frozen? Always me. Always me. The mic still sound the same. It's getting worse. My mic is cooked. It's the same mic Max and Logan have.
Hey, it could be a connection thing.
I just got a new wire.
Yeah, I don't know why you always have technical difficulty.
Great, man.
We have the same exact stuff.
We have the exact same shit.
Yeah.
It makes no sense. 0 cents. Hold on, I'm gonna switch it to the other. I'm about to. Switched it over to the other channel. Does it sound any better? Oh. There's nothing wrong with this thing. Hey, Ninja, I can see your internet connectivity is dropping a little bit. It's probably a local internet service provider issue. Plugged in directly to the modem. So dumb. I think it makes me sound sexier. So far, it bounced off that 71 level. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna go boot my internet out of the window. I might just go full blown Elon Musk with Starlink. Hotspot indicator is wild. It's like you're having your own personal hobby. Yeah. 71 again. The 70 area is bouncing. It is stuck in a new range. Beautiful short, beautiful longs. Vance Reed played out a couple times already. Just retesting in this area, keeps bouncing back and forth. Midline of soft box. That 70 area, 80. Oh, my yelling broke the mic. And then it broke. Where is that old wire? Hello?
Tip raffles? Are we doing tip raffles today?
All right, back to that 70 area. Let's see what the Dom is doing down here. Just keeps bouncing off that like freaking 80, 70. All right, let's plug in this old wire and let's see if it's the wire.
Still have Januaries? What? Okay.
Okay. Do I sound the same?
No. Well, yeah, you still sound staticky.
Then it's not the wire, it's not the mic, it's something else. It's something else. I just completely changed the wire. I mean, it could be the mic itself.
I'm about to go short here. Again.
Needs to break under this area that is breaking right now. Not looking too shabby, but if this candle can close underneath that 62, definitely.
Logan, what setting would you change when you first add pivot? 0. I wouldn't change any settings. I've designed the indicator to not require any changes to its settings. How do I tip the staff here? We have this section here. This gives the tip the staff capability. Whoa, I'm gonna swap that up. Right here, you can tip the staff there. And then we also have a tip the staff, any tips on YouTube. Then you love answering the same questions over and over again. Yeah. Yeah, some days I'll respond differently than other days. I really thought about it. What you all trying to do for people. I 100% apologize for being a free show. Something you all don't have to do. Take care. Have a good day.
Okay. That bounce off of 62. Whoopee. I'm crazy.
All good, man.
You're good, brother.
You have a good day as well.
It was a nice conversation piece. Oh my God. Look at that bounce from 62. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, I got trailed out. I got pulled out. I had a massive pullback. I was trailing on my comps. Like, what the hell? I was trailing it by like 1 by 10, 1 by 15. Pullback just eliminated. All of
Life
them.
has its ups and downs. I call it day trading. That's the gayest shirt I've ever seen. I would never wear that. I apologize if it's a repeat question in the mods, and it's my first time doing it and wanted to make sure I did it correctly. No, you're good. No worries.
Whoever keeps trying to sign into my email, stop.
Sorry, I just joined the stream. Any updates on the indicators? Not yet. They're in the process.
Oh. What could have triggered my mic to get messed up though? Here we go. Another retest here, this bottom area. We need to break under 62 again. Let's go buck wild down here. This candle closes underneath. Ooh, that would have been the precursor here, but nope, bounced right off of 62 again. Look at that violent bounce off 62. No, 330 volume did nothing, you're right. It just bounced off of 62 by 20 points. Bottom area, a lot of strength here. So if that 62 does break, there's going to be a pretty good potential move down. Oh shit. Talk dirty to the market, Javi. Well, right now I sound like Don Rigato, Mr. Roboto, so you know the market might not like me talking to her like that today. This is too easy right now. I need pullback. Just hold on until it breaks 62. Every tap on that bottom side has been bouncing. Obviously, be cautious. Well, it did break eventually. Just got kicked off the stage. What the hell? It just auto kicked me out. My shit's bugging. Dude, my shit is bugging. Something's going on with my shit right now.
Yeah, you're having all types of
They're
technological
coming
issues. Right?
after, they're coming after me, guys. Coming after me. It finally happened. All my conspiracy talk made it down to somebody. Someone's in control. Oh my god, look at that push. That secondary push off 62 was violent as hell. If anybody played that bounce with me like 20 bajillion times, you just kept playing that bounce off 62. Holy crap, Legacy. How's that even possible?
Javi, your mic is pretty bad. Not gonna lie, brother. Barely can understand you. You ever lose this bad? $475,000 in one day. No. No. I have lost 280,000 in a day. I've also lost on an individual account $70,000 twice. 50,000. It's like between 50 to 70,000 exactly. Did I crush that short? I sure did. Sure did.
Sound any better now? Yeah, it's not the
Yeah.
internet either. It's not. I just switched internet completely. Where's the microphone that I was using when I went to Paraguay? Not even that long. You can understand me. So breaking the shit right now. Bring me Aiden's mic for now, I guess. Let's see if that sounds any better. Try leaving Ninja. Let's see. Let's try. I love Ninja. Does it sound better? Oh, it's not. It's my computer or something. Something happened on my shit. Or MOC. Hold on. Oh shit! I don't even use this computer. I got my Oculus for that naughty stuff.
Just in this chop area, waiting for a setup, right? Break under 46.75 would be ideal, down to the 52 area. So that's what we're waiting for patiently. We've got a good setup there. Or we could just absolutely rip up and do the opposite. And then in that case, 720, rip up to 701. We're going to wait patiently. What's good, Logan? Good to see you on, bro. You too, man. Logan, your mic is cutting sometimes. It seems that there's a connection issue. No, not going to lie, Logan. I was going to one and done this morning, but I saw those levels breaking. Max consistency on 25K. All right, well, good job. Don't overtrade, though.
Better now.
That sounds good, Avi.
I had to freaking reset my whole damn computer.
Sounds good, though.
So what could have caused it to for that to happen though? So I gotta get back into everything.
I don't know.
Very annoying. All right. Well, look, the longest still longing. If this can hold over for 25,006, it's gonna keep going. I want to see this break here. Give a little retest. The 25,006 area, hold above 96, and this could potentially start breaking over 22. Let's see. YouTube. I got to get back into YouTube. Ah, this is so frustrating. Let's see what we got here. There's a retest of 06. This to stay over 96 if this is going to bounce back up. If not, back into that range. It was just that it just broke. Where is
That's a pretty sick setup. What we got here?
our
Wait,
hour? Here we go. One.
what is that? Why does
Then
it look?
2. Oh, what a nice retest of that 96 area. Screen share. All right. Entire screen. And then
How do you set an alert to notify when your pivot hunter has a potential trade? Go to your alerts and set it.
okay, we back.
Go watch the YouTube.
There, VG is stuck between two MVGs. Hmm.
You got the Star Killer. You and me both. I haven't seen a video about an instruction of what your criteria is for scaling into a position. Any tip? Watch the course. Have you watched all the videos? Okay, then.
Back into the range. Next area would be 87. If it breaks 87, 71. Then back to 60.
You watched all the videos. I believe so. Maybe I missed that part, but yes, I've watched all the. Also, you got to think. Let's think about this, right? So listen. If this is a entertainment show, and 90% of the people here are not probably not going to discuss sauce or anything that has to do with the CSO course on here, right? So let's go ahead and let's ask that question in the CSO channel. Ask in the CSO channel, students and people will be able to give you information on that. I will not answer that here. Thank you, brother.
All right. Ooh.
Also, usually, Kevin, I'll just tell you this: my scale ins are very rare. I very rarely scale in. Usually, only time I'll scale in is if I have a certain trade or strategy. It is, and then basically a PHP setup afterwards. So I could be a PHP and another PHP, scale in. A different strategy and then a PHP, scale in. But I don't always do that. It's actually kind of rare that I do it because, well, I just sometimes I don't want to take that risk.
That was a nice bounce off that same 72 area.
You didn't scale on those multiple 30-second blue lines? No, I don't know what you're talking about. Snow Tree.
He's looking at my chart, not yours.
No, he's talking about this morning.
My chart has the blue. Oh,
Open. Also, Snow Tree. let's use. I'm going to just delete your messages because it sounds like you're giving up sauce, and so I'm just going to delete everything that you're talking about right now. I don't care if you're a VIP member. Do not give up sauce. It sounds like everybody's being a little fucking stupid today. You guys got to kind of use your heads. Come on, guys. respectfully
I have to
to
do that
everybody.
too sometimes. When I'm in the quantum sessions, I got students asking me for sauce. I'm like, guys, this is a quantum session, not a Maestro Academy. We don't talk about sauce box outside of
I think I'm just going to
shooting.
stop selling my
Yeah.
course. I think I'm just going to give up on my course sales and just close it down forever, so I don't need to deal with it anymore. I think that's my next approach. Is just say I'm done. I don't feel like doing this anymore because I just don't. That's just going to be my next approach. I'm just going to close it down. And then John can be happy because people will.
Ugh, and I got wires all over the place.
Please don't. I'm currently giving. Where's John at? Tell him to meet me outside.
There we go. Where's my? Oh, yeah.
Very choppy power right now.
Um, yeah, kind of. I caught that bounce off that 72 area again. Wrote a little bit of that 87 down. Nice little 3Z break up. Now this needs to crack back over 12 and then 22 if she wants to keep going. If not, we're just kind of like standing in a stalemate.
Great to hear, Leslie. Great to hear.
Stuff on my computer right now. Lost focus.
Guy says to John, "You better bring a bag." John says to the guy, "You better bring a bag for lunch."
I think I know what I got to do to fix this chart on my. Like I'm messing around. I'm looking at YouTube and I'm looking at my chart and I'm trying to figure out what to do to make it look a little like so they could see all 4 time frames or 3 time frames for quantum.
Going long.
For the retest if this does hold over 23. If it gives it, if it doesn't, oh well. It could keep going.
Yep. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Oh yeah, nice and violent
The
push.
rip. Go, 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 go. Got room all the way up to 101.
Does that pull
Pull
back?
back a little bit.
Yep, there it
Whoa.
is. Yep, there it is.
Whoa.
That's what I want to wait for right there. This can
Whoa.
hold. This could push itself back over.
Fill that wick. Fill that wick. There we go.
Good. Yep, there we go. That's what I was waiting for. But ideally, you want to see this 2 minute candle close above here. You don't want to see it give it up, give it back up.
Go,
Very
go, go,
nice.
go, 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 go.
She might not be ready. If the 2 minute cannot close above that 13, she might not be ready to go just yet. All right, that's looking good. It's got 10 seconds left. Ooh, immediately pulled back. Now bouncing up again. Okay. Can you keep going or not? There's the close above. Immediately retesting
How much
it.
time we have left? We have 2 minutes left.
Yep, needs to
Come
hold
on.
up here. I want to see this go.
Come on. Go, 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 go.
Looking for 1450 first. I am in this. Already
There we
gonna hit
go.
my first TP.
There we go.
Boom. There it
There we
goes.
go. There we go. Come on. What
Almost
is this
clean.
wickiness?
It's fighting that pull
There
up
you
right
go.
now. I already
In an
hit my
uptrend still.
first. I want to see a hold above that 25,009. If it gives that up back into the range.
Minute 15 seconds. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Whoa.
It's launch off of 25,009. That looks good, but needs to continue to hold above and pull.
Still alive. I'm still alive. Come on.
Want to see more
40
strength on this
seconds.
pull up. It's struggling.
Yep. 30 seconds.
Oh, MOC has to hold
Yep.
25,009 has to hold. It's right on it.
15 seconds.
It's right on it. It's way too close to it for me. But
I'm
that's
still
where
in
I'm
this
looking.
long. I'm going to hold it. 10
I didn't realize
seconds.
it was already MOC time.
5 seconds.
This is kind of scary. It's
Come on.
struggling to continue to
3,
break up.
2. Whoa, let's go.
There it
Let's
goes.
go. Ripped up. Woo.
Yep. I already
Wow.
got trailed out on that
Ripped
secondary
up,
push
ripped
up.
down. That was insane.
There goes.
Oh,
There
man.
goes. There
Let's
goes. I
go.
did. Oh my
Let's
God. I
go.
re-entered that pullback at
Let's
09.
go.
I'm going to get out again. Very
Wow.
nice.
I got
Very
in and out
nice.
of that quick. That trimmed me out real
Very
quick.
freaking nice.
Wow.
Easy MOC. Another one. Another one in the books. Oh, that retest was too clean. So I waited for that retest and it held, thankfully. And it's still going. Got one runner running.
Oh.
2K for power hour, I think, in total on the 3 accounts I traded. One hit 1K, one hit. This one's at 630. The other one, I think, was like at 4 something. I can't even remember which one it was at this point. Like everything is scattered now because the way I had it organized, it's no longer organized. Oh.
What time is it? 52 almost. 3 more minutes until the next pump.
Ah, man. I don't know why people send friend requests. I do not accept friend requests unless you're a student. So please don't send friend requests, people.
We're going to fill that whole wick, it looks like.
$11. I will ban you if I have to, even if you're my own son, to teach you a lesson.
Damn.
Yeah, it'll be a hard lesson, but it'll be a good lesson. It'll be one of those lessons where, it's going to hurt me more than it's going to hurt you, but in reality, it's going to hurt you a lot more. Oh, look at that push. Oh, man.
Tripping. Print through 47. We have continuation until 101.
If it would have to crack through this 74. I mean, it could absolutely do that, but it's got a lot of like little areas to
Big
keep
reversal.
it down.
Whoa. So volatile right now.
Yeah, it's getting crazy volatile. A lot of whipsaw action right now, back and forth, violence. So if you guys are still trading this, be
Yep.
careful. Oh, something made my eye. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Logan's sharing his chart in the Discord. On YouTube, you get to see both.
Correct.
Or like that, then it could squish them. Yeah, actually, it's kind of all right. Golden MVG is about to get filled on SPX, breaking through a
What
bearish
direction do you think?
candle.
I'll shoot up long in 30 seconds. Wonder.
Good.
All the way up to 90.
Absolutely good. I see it. I see it could give a reaction at 74 if it does push up there. Got a few more seconds. Let's see if it does it.
2 seconds and
There it is.
down
Nope. Nope.
and
Zero push. And there goes.
a little bit. A tiny bit. It's
4 would
going.
be
It's
that next
ripping.
area.
Ripping. It's ripping. It's ripping. Ripping. $55 is a good area for me to jump if it can continue in that direction.
Gold MVG filled. Gold MVG filled.
Great job, Athena. $1,000 on the pros.
Very nice. Very nice, Athena. On 1, 2, 3, 4 pros. Look at you. Athena killing it. Very nice job. And you copy trading? You got bigger balls than me, Athena.
Print up. Fill that wick. Give me another trade. Or not. Okay. I went in when Logan said, and I got. What trade did you get cooked on? What? How did you get cooked?
I think that's short, maybe. There was a short where it kind of pushed up, maybe that one, but that was only one trade. If
I
you
had
had your
one
stop
losing
losses in
trade.
place,
I got one losing trade, and then I had two. The
yeah,
first trade was
you had
massive.
2
The
bangers. Yeah.
first trade was 60 points, and then I got into MOC before MOC popped off.
Yep.
Doesn't make sense.
You had 2 massive plays and only one. And if you respect stop losses, you would have got cooked and
Yeah,
sizing.
and I'm going long. I'm going long right now, also. So you get cooked here, fine. I'm going long here, and I'm up 10 points. There you go. Keep going. Pro is gone. Got to start over. Hate to see it. Hate to see it, my dude. There we go. Come on. Pull up. Give me 70.
Wait, did 11 twice really send me a friend request? Is that really you? 11 wants to get banned. That
Pretty
is
funny.
him. Oh my god, dude. Nah, I have to stick to the rules, bro. I will accept it once you book. If you ever decide to. I'm pretty strict with that. I'm pretty strict with that.
Yeah. Stop dicking around 11 twice.
Yeah,
Follow the rule.
follow the rules. All right, you will be forgiven for now. This is
All
one
right.
forgive.
I'm out of that trade. Now I'm done. Now I'm done. All right. I'm done trading. I'm done trading.
I'm yawning so much. I don't know why I feel so out of it. My freaking my daughter's got pink eye apparently. Oh man,
Forgot pink eye was a thing.
yeah, dude. I completely forgot it was a thing too. Ah, I got a few things to to think about this month too. Oof. She doesn't. Oh, thank God. Okay, she doesn't. She doesn't have pink eye. That's great.
Good.
But she's definitely under the weather.
Sorry
Yeah.
to hear that.
Okay, that's good to hear. That's good to hear. Yeah, let's do the giveaways. Let's do the giveaways. All right. Let's see how many people's we got in here. We've got. All right. First winner will be number 39. 39. What's that?
Madhouse.
That cell's going beautifully right now. Oh my God. Now I'm at almost $1,000 on the next account. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, that beauty.
Madhouse.
Oh, the beauty. Here.
Bobby, you want to knock out the YouTube ones?
What's up, fellas?
Madhouse, how's your trading going?
Went on until right now. Power hour. I was up 800 on
You're
the
on
day.
Tilt
And
and
I
Power?
just tried to scout, but that's a little eval there. Other than that, all the other ones are good. So that's the one I use to scout. I'm trying to learn this shit.
Were you green in the morning?
Yes, sir. Indeed, I was.
Good. So
So
just make sure you don't touch your accounts that you're green on in the morning. I'm not touching my Apex account. 100% win
yeah.
rate. You know what I mean?
All
On the
right.
power hour, I'm
Yes,
just going to mess
sir.
around with the evals on other accounts.
What's that? What's that?
YouTube.
I'm just going to mess around with random accounts that are in power hour from green. You know what I mean? I
I
don't
want
want
to
to mess
see.
with my win.
I want to see Saucebox.
Yeah, definitely. But I guess it
Stay
still
Saucebox.
gets to me.
I will.
Seeing green, even though it's like the account I used to scout. Seeing it go from green to red is just sucks ass.
I'll be okay with that. Right. Well, hey, man, open up a support ticket. You get access to. Congratulations, man.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Peace.
All right. Did we pick a winner on YouTube?
I'm about to. All right, and it is gonna be at Malam Labby. Malam Labby.
This shit is making a mess.
Malam Labby, you are the winner. Free week of any indicator of your choice. Let's go.
TradeRate.
In the
TradeRate
Discord.
doesn't allow copy trading. TradeRate doesn't allow copy trading with ATM settings. Only while.
Yeah. All right.
Next number.
Next number. 195, 195. And then we got an alpha account today, right?
Yep.
Let's go.
Vito, you're a mastermind student and you do not have the MOT tag.
Oh, come on, man.
Another one.
All right. Next one will be number 93. 93.
Larry FR.
Larry FR.
How do I win? You need to not have a different Discord tag. You need to have an MOT Discord tag.
Yep. Got to have MOT Discord tag when we pick your name. I don't know what NLF stands for, but it's missing the I, for like. I'll let you guys kind of fill that
No,
in.
no.
Right? No, but all sacks, it's with an N though. Right? It's like in the ballparks of, I can't say it. Llama can say it. Well, technically I can, but
Okay. All right. So, what was the next number?
All right, next number will be. Wait, do we have this number still? Nope, it doesn't exist anymore. I had to double check because it always drops. 340. 340. Javi, I'll give you a pass to say the first half. No. I've said it before. It's like I don't want to get us in trouble. I don't want to get us in trouble. We are on the YouTube, so we got to be all fancy, right? We got to be all cautious. Put our little tie and our little, suit on, be all proper and prim. Be like,
Elevated.
where's my credit card? Oh, oh, I had to do my taxes, Jeffrey. I have to be like that. They'll call that the username. Exactly. There you go. The monocle. I gotta have my little top hat on. Yeah, I think a bow tie is more fancy. I agree with that picture there, whoopsie daisy. I think I need to do a bow tie. You know where my credit card is, all sacks.
Let's do another one.
Mexican Robin Hood. If you click on anybody that has the MOT tag, you should be able to adopt it. So if you see anybody that has the MOT tag, click on that MOT and you should be able to adopt it. All right, next number 64. Nintendo 64.
J Weiss 1000. Is anyone allowing good trading yet? Huh? Oh, gold trading. I can't read.
Say
Ah.
Monica.
I think like
Monica.
I think Tradeify allows it. Lucid allows it. Allows it. Can I screen share your wealth charts to YouTube? Just checking if it's okay on your end. Yeah, absolutely, you can. Let the people see what pure excellence looks like. 100% win rate. And these are unfunded accounts.
Only traded once this morning but still enjoyed Power Hour. Celebratory hands in the air emoji. Thanks for all you do.
$20 from Dianaville. Appreciate you.
Oh.
Logan's hacking. No, I'm just profitable. I show my payouts. I showed $40,000+ in payouts last week. So
Yep. Hey, Deanaville, thank you for the 19.99, brother. Only traded once this morning, but still enjoyed Power Hour.
you
Thanks
guys
for all
have to
you do.
understand, it's not actually 240 trades. It's more like it's multiply that. So divide that by 20, right? Divide 240 by 20 because if there's 20 accounts, right? So it's actually 12 trades. I'm actually 12-0 for 100%, right? 12-0, 100%, 145,000. Beautiful. Over a week, I'm up 145, and these are funded accounts. Here's each individual account. Each individual account is up $7,200. 12 trades. There you go. 12 trades, 100% win rate. Bang.
Awesome.
We still got to try and invite another person up because everybody that we keep inviting
Nobody
doesn't want
wants
to
to
come up.
come up.
You know what? Let's do YouTube. Let's just do it to YouTube. Yeah.
All right. 11 twice is being one of those people on YouTube just spamming 64. 11, what are you doing? You know better. All right. You know what? Go ahead, everybody. Go ahead and spam 64 now, just because. And 11 is now banned from winning it, though. He is automatically disqualified. Not the Discord. I said YouTube. Nobody listens. Nobody listens, man. You don't listen, man. Lila Crema. You get the free week of an indicator of your choice. Congratulations, Lila Crema. I don't know why. Like that name kind of sounds like it's intended to be slightly dirty. It probably isn't. But I don't know why.
Oh, Elevated Trader. You're super late, dude.
It's coming out that way.
My bad, fellas.
Fuck it. You're good, man. Open up a sport ticket, man. You got any indicator free for an entire.
Oh, you
Congrats,
got
man.
it.
Appreciate it.
Okay. Got it, brother.
And then the one,
All
Javi, whoever you called out, give them the Alpha account.
Oh, dang. Okay, Lila Crema, you got lucky there. Open up a support ticket. Did she win last night too? Well, guess what, Trainsbuck? She just won again. She's on a lucky streak. It's rigged. It's always rigged.
All right. Solid power hour, guys. Called the quick dump. Messed around, took some other trades after that, but we were up big, ending the power hour. Easy money, easy day. Check out the website, guys. It has access to everything now. Check out the website. That's all I've got. I'm tired. I got shit to do. Javi, what do you got?
Same old, guys. Had fun. Was pretty nice power hour. Make sure you guys tip the staff, follow our socials. New website is up. Go check that out. I'm gonna go figure out how to put my coaching stuff in there too soon. Guys, follow our X, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, anything to do with quantum, guys, to kind of get an idea how I trade. Just go ahead and watch quantum videos. Coaching involves other stuff. You guys can go check that out as well. Have fun, enjoy the rest
We
of
have the
your day.
tip
I'm having a good
raffle.
time. We got the tip raffle. What's that?
All right. Let's pull this up real quick. Let me see.
What's the tip raffle?
Wheel of names. All right. January tip raffle. All right. Can everybody see
fancy.
this? All right. This is for January to win a 50K TPT account. Oh, Sin. I think he won last time.
Ooh. It's
Sin.
even the wheel is rigged. He won last
Pretty
time.
sure Sin won last time. Whatever. And he keeps donating, then whatever. All right. And the next one.
Yeah.
for 150K.
There you go.
Ryan Laugh. Very nice.
Nice.
Now, are we going to do February today also? Mods, or are we going to wait until another time tomorrow? No. Okay. Sounds good. We'll do that later on. All right. Congratulations to our winners, everybody. Great day. Hobby, did you say everything you need to say?
Yeah, we're good.
All
No
right.
financial advice for JJ's.
I'm not going to end the stage, Anarchy. I'm not going to end the stage, Max, if you're listening. I'm just going to quietly disappear. Later, everybody.
Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my hydro. Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, loves, I be in the back road. Then it flipped on his head, it's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white wine, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, wanna do a shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, wanna do a shift. We in and out quick. Am I